tackling our issues about AIDS prevention or awareness. Sa kapanahonan po ngayon, alam po natin ang AIDS, very familiar to us. But to those na hindi pa alam kung ano talaga ang AIDS po ay tinatawag na acquired immune deficiency
Immunodeficiency.
syndrome. Acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Which caused
Immunodeficiency.
by HIV virus. Ang HIV po, ang ibig kong sabihin nito is human immunodeficiency virus na kung saan it destroys the body's ability fighting sickness or even cancer. Sa gabi kong ito, para sa benefit of our viewers, we invited the panels of medical specialists from our top hospitals in the country. And to start with, I would like to introduce to you, and from my right, he is internal medicine, a doctor of internal medicine from Central Hospital, Dr. Dan Simon.
Hindi po sa ating mga Pilipinas, magandang gabi sa lahat. Hindi na ba ang
And next, we invited also, kung mayroong doctors, mayroon din dapat presente. So, we invited AIDS patients, Ms. Mad Payne.
Good evening.
Bawat isa na nalunod sa amin yun, dahil pag-clear dito sa Thank you. Kung meron po tayong doctor sa secular world, of course, meron din tayong doctor sa spiritual realm. We invited the director of Aklan Bible School, Doctor of Divinity, Dr. Abby Israel.
Lin. Lin. Lin.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Advantos Manok-Manok Aklan.
Aklan!
Ano?
Hindi sa may kabila eh.
From my left, this is a professor from University of the Philippines, Dr. Marilu Lee. Good evening po sa ating magandang host. At nagpapasalamat po ako dahil paano in-invite niyo ako dito sa inyong sikat na talk show. Talk show nga ba? ASC Talk Back. And good evening po sa audience natin. Sana marami po kayong matutunan. Okay, yun na po. Thank you. Next, she's a doctor of internal medicine from Makati Medical Center. Dr. Genevieve Drake. Good evening, Ms. Lina. Thank you for inviting me to your talk show. Forward to the viewers.
Abutin tayo.
Welcome to our show.